Do you want to make $100 every single day passively trading cryptocurrency meme coins? I have a very specific strategy that I can show you in today's video that you can implement right now to actually begin trading this meme coin crypto market. We can find some of the best traders in the market using a completely new strategy and then actually begin taking their trades. When they take a trade, we take the exact same trade. We're going to find traders that are up literally hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars in just the last 1 week to 30 days. And then we can begin profiting as they're profiting. We can make more than $100 each and every single day using this meme coin trading strategy. If you do enjoy today's video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe because it supports the channel. In today's video, I'll be extensively using TradeWiz bot, this Telegram trading bot. I'll leave the link in the video description. You'll get completely free access plus 10% off all of your meme coin trading fees, so don't forget to click the link. So to begin to actually make more than $100 each and every single day through crypto, we'll begin on this new website that I've only featured in just a few videos. It's actually called dexcheck.ai, and here I'm able to show you some very specific filters and quickly find the top trending meme coins, so then I can find the best traders in the market so I can actively begin to follow their trades, take the exact same trades that they're taking, and if they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars each and every month, we can begin to piggyback and profit as they are profiting. So we're on dexcheck.ai. I actually come over to this left hand side and click on Solana, because I only want to focus on Solana based meme coins. That's really, really good for TradeWiz. Then in this top right section, we'll click on filters. So actually come over and we'll change the minimum pair age over to 2 hours. So I don't want to be seeing coins that are less than 2 hours old. We'll actually put the maximum hours at 300, which basically means I don't want to be seeing coins that are more than maybe 10 to 15 days old, roughly. Then also with 24-hour volume, I'm at least going to put in $1 million in 24-hour volume. I want to ensure that this coin has been heavily traded. So we can actually put in this $1 million in 24-hour volume. Once we've actually selected all of these filters, we can actually hit apply. Now we're able to filter by volume. So in this top section here, I can actually click on volume and now be going down on the top volume coins for today. So there's some coins that have traded over 8 million, 7 million, 6 million. You can see the pair age on this right hand side. So 3 days old, 2 days old. The reason that the pair age is extremely important is because I want to be finding the latest top trending coins. A lot of the times, if you actually find a coin that's say 15 days or even 30 days old, when we do my specific search that I'm going to show you right now, we might be finding a lot of old traders that have made a lot of profit, but they've been super profitable maybe 30 days ago. They could have even moved on to a new wallet. A lot of people, after they've made a lot of money on meme coin trading, they move their funds to a completely new wallet. So it's not easy for you to track all the time. So with this specific strategy, you're able to implement this each and every single day. You're able to find the best traders every single day. So you don't need to rely on old coins that have made really, really good gains. But when we use this very specific feature, you're not going to be able to find the top trending meme coin traders because they've been trading 30 days ago, 45 days ago. And as I said, a lot of them move on to completely new wallets. So you're not able to track them. But with this strategy, I'm able to see coins that are 3 days old, 2 days old. So I know when I apply my specific strategy that these traders that I find are going to be the latest profitable traders And if I begin to copy trade them now, I'll actually be able to find and copy all of their trades going into the future. So what we can begin to do is actually on this left hand side, we can see a specific coin. For this example, it's called Nora. We'll click copy address, and then we'll come back over to Telegram. And here in Telegram, we'll go over to TradeWiz, click on menu, and you have access to smart money and address analysis. So we want a smart money for a specific token. So we'll paste in the token address like we just copied from DexCheck. And here we can see the most profitable wallets on this specific coin that was just launched 2 days ago. People are up more than $277,000, $96,000, $44,000. So with these wallets, we can click on the specific wallet, and now we're able to see all of their trades. So with Nora, they made more than $1 million, but with some of these other trades, only made $500, $200, potentially not the best trader. So I'll click on the second wallet. So I clicked on the second wallet, and here I'm able to see, let's see, in the last 30 days, we have the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. Here he made a lot of money with Nora, but overall, we haven't seen him made money with any other trades. So we'll click on the third wallet, and the same. Once we see a few wallets that are doing this, we actually need to move on to a new token. So let's move on to the second token, Alive. Come over, do the same thing. We can click on smart money, paste the address in here for the specific token. Here are all the top profitable wallets. We'll click on the first one. We're actually really quick. Let's click on it again. Here we can see Alive. Let's click on the second most profitable trader. Give it a second. We're doing everything very quickly. Now let's click on the third most profitable trader. Do it again. So we're seeing there's 3 traders in a row that are exactly the same, basically only taking one trade. That just really easily means that we need to move over to the next token. So here we've got the third most profitable token. We can even just scroll back up, click smart money, paste the token address in. It's really quickly for me to go through a lot of tokens and actually find the most profitable traders available right now. Here we go. We found a trader that's made 100,000, 100,000, 44,000, 4.4. He's up over $200,000. He has a win rate of 43%. In the last 7 days, we can even go to the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, actually, he's lost $21,000, win rate 36%. So we might continue on and find even more traders. We clicked on FY. That's the first one. We'll click on the second most profitable trader. Let's actually have a look at his trades. 33K, 26K, 3.9. So he's made 33,000 in the last 7 days. Let's look in the last 30 days. It's actually made over $200,000, win rate 46%, traded 69 times. This is actually a really good trader. You can see a lot of his trades, actually 4 buys, 9 sells over a 5-day period, 11-day period. This is really good because when you are copy trading, you don't want to be finding traders that are only trading every 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You need to wait a few minutes between each and every single trade. It makes it even more profitable, because you're able to catch the trade at a closer level to what the original trader took the trade as. So let's say that this trade is a perfect example. In this bottom right section, we can actually click create copy trading. I've shown you in many videos all of the specific settings that I do set up. I show you that I actually set up my buy percentage as 100%, but I actually set up my maximum buy and minimum buy. So my maximum buy might be 1 or 2 Solana. My minimum buy might be 0.3 or 0.5 Solana. What this will do is, as you saw with this trader, his single buy amount, which means every time he trades, roughly $5,000 is an average trade amount. So here, if I limit my buy percentage and my maximum buy, this will ensure that I'm not entering at the same amount as the trader is buying. I usually turn off unrenounced and unburnt. I usually turn on minimum market cap, but it also depends on the specific trader that I'm trading. I'll turn anti-MEV on, change my slippage, set my buy and sell gas fee, and then at this bottom section you hit create, and now you're actually copy trading. One of the most profitable traders that I've actually found in this market. You can begin to profit as they take each and every single one of their trades. Don't forget to use TradeWiz in this video description, because you'll get a massive 10% off all of your copy trading fees, and you'll get free access to TradeWiz using the link in the video description. Plus, I just released my copy trading masterclass where you can go from a beginner to an advanced copy trading masterclass trader. You can actually begin profiting from some of the most profitable traders in this meme coin market. I show you from start to finish what you need to do, so take advantage of this massive holiday sale. So there we have it for copy trading and taking advantage of meme coins. If you have enjoyed today's video on how to make more than $100 every single day in meme coins, make sure to smash the like and subscribe, because I'll see you in the next video.